Hi, my name is Vimla Devi. I'm coming from Coimbatore. I had an opportunity to undergo a 15 days training program on intensive hands-on training on andrology and embryology at Chennai Fertility Center. This experience is truly enriched and exceeding my expectations. During my training period, I have able to gain a real-time exposure and hands-on on semen analysis, oocyte collections, and intracytoplasmic sperm injections, embryo culture. In training itself, I have done 50 and above semen analysis and oocyte collection, embryo culture, nearly about 150 oocytes. And the mentor Krishna sir is very supportive toward the training. He ensured that I understand the each step both theoretically and practically. I'm grateful for this opportunity, and this program give me a strengthen and confidence and skills as a budding embryologist. Thank you CFC for this opportunity. Had a great learning experience. Thank you.